Okay, so I was just going into a server, going to make like a video about some modded lobbies, but then when I go into a no PvP server, this is the server that I get into. And you might be like, Berry 6, why are you eating it? They're rare. I already have them. And there's just so many of them. Like, I'll just show y'all.
Let's go, I got it back.
I have 3. So yeah. Actually, bro did that one glitch. That's a normal. Normal.
Whoa. I was in a public that turned into a private.
And normal. Okay. So.
Who wants this?
I'm gonna go eat free, yummy.
I have this anymore. I have to retire it.
Yummy.
Hurry!
Chocolate. And then there's also like a hard guns and stuff.
Who wants this
Okay, super
backpack?
mini one, as well as this super large one.
Oh my god, either way, bro. I got one the size of my finger.
Alright, but yeah. See you guys.
Nah, who wants this?
What the?
Big
There's
bite?
so
I
many
like big
to
bite.
eat.
I like big bite. What is this? Rainbow calculator?
I got
Bang! Wait, wait, beatbox game? Beatbox game? Where's my backpack? Is it that one? Yeah, it's this one. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have a snowball.
Someone has a snowball. Lucky little duck. Look how even this is.
I want to do it. Give it away.
Someone just came in and said, "What is this?" That's what I'm saying. Come on, that way. No, I'm stuck.
Does anybody want to see my snowball? My snowball.
Wait, let me get
Beautiful
on.
little snowball. My beautiful little snowball.
But now
You want to see my?
we're gonna do what the actual video was meant for. So, what's the join code?
Oh no! This backpack. I want you to grab it like this.
Join code.
Okay.
1 4. All right. 2. Okay. 3 4.
At the second sewing machine is to be left.
Oh yeah, suitcases everywhere, and just guess. Yep. And there's shotguns everywhere. These are loaded. I'm gonna be surprised. Yep. That's what I thought, to be honest.
That's it.
Who's griefing?
I got you. So, yep, my game is lagging.
I'm gonna get somebody. Yes!
No!
Oh, he Hey, Monolator, can you spawn galaxy stuff in boomboxes? Custom boomboxes?
No way!
Ah, bro, just kill me.
Who's the moderator? Who's the moderator?
Give me that.
This is a modded server. Boys. Loud.
I'm gonna go up there. Perfect. And now I could just do things like that. They just spawned in more stuff, I think, because my game just became 10 times laggier. Okay, no, they didn't.
I even grab stuff once again. Guys, guess what?
Whee! There's just so many.
Can someone give me something for free? Let me guess. I got a thing mod to give away. Stop us! Bombs everywhere.
Nice. Come on. I get closer. It's not gonna work. Oh, I thought it wasn't gonna work because of low health. I have that one.
Did that kid come back?
I just said stop shooting. Do it again.
No, 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 no. Okay, we're good.
Enough talk about. Stop doing everything.
I'm going to kill you.
How many times I have to say it? We ain't in Taco Bell Navy or any Nazi bombers here. Stop bombing the damn
What's
facility.
even happening?
Well, I just went flying and somehow I got red watch. I honestly don't know how I got it.
Of course.
Now I'm gonna go absolutely
Are we earning money from
No, I'm gonna earn money. That's what I'm gonna do.
guys, I'm gonna go flying right here.
No.
3, 2,
Oh shit.
1. Kaboom!
Darn it.
Did I just see myself twinning?
Oh, why am I getting red watch? I'm not even
Time to test the rocket.
Red watch or red watch?
No, give me that one. That one. Please. Nice.
everybody just spam flares?
Hey, chill.
Take a chill pill, motherfucker.
I'm grabbing team.
Give me one of these. Do that. Do that.
You type of a pig.
Bro, why are you scoring like a pig? You scored just like a pig, not gonna lie. Yo, Pinocchio, where are you at?
Nice. Got it. What?
It's a what?
Just
Whenever
another
the
shot.
zipline goes.
Nice. Oh my gosh, there's actually so many over there. Dang it. Oh wait, no, what am I doing?
boy, White, I will.
I'm gonna join code 6.
No, boy, White, I will.
Join the code 7.
No.
Lad, don't worry, I'm remaking the bed of Iron Me.
I did. Everybody get out. Everybody try.
She's not robbing me. She's not robbing me. I'm the one that robbed me. I'm the one that robs
Oh my!
people.
My screen is
That was crazy.
shaking.
I'm the one that robs people.
my reaction. Oh, that was crazy.
Hey, what the heck?
Did Morgus spawned up here?
Guys!
No, come back. Got it. I'm already full. Give me that one.
Dorothy?
I have a good idea.
Me, bro.
How
Alright,
much
bet, bro, bet.
room do I have?
Guys. God, I'm gonna play this game. Please, just
Hey,
ignore
yo,
me
can I
my
get the
phone
back?
because I'm
Yo,
gonna
can I
play
get
this
the
game.
back?
I'm getting her back.
Hey, it's fine. Hey, thanks though.
Jacob.
I'm joking.
No, you can have it. No, you can have it.
Nah, I'm sorry, bro. Look, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
You can have it. I don't need any of this.
What the? No, you can have it. I don't care.
What
You can have
the
Oh, so it's
I didn't know you joined, bro. I was telling you to join.
Bro,
what the heck is this bag?
you did it.
And this nigga world, nigga world.
Did that guy just say nigga?
Oh,
shit.
okay.
Alright, bro's gotta nuke the server,
I'm
bro.
traveling with my girl channel. Hold on, let me wait, stand then.
Hey, wanna look for a new server?
Stab it.
Is no one going to the world because no one knows
I
where the world's
absolutely-
I
going?
wanna look for a
Come
new
on.
server, pretty bro.
Yeah, sure. Alright, what about
5.
6? Oh, 5.
Let's check out.
A bone.
There, 2 wars down. Not everyone brings their best weapons to the war zone.
Oh, fuck. This looks like...
Stop destroying the line! No, anyone have a full-on blow-up, bloodlust, no.
Perfect. That was 4 anyways. What the heck is this?
Everybody, go up here.
What? No.
There's actually people in here. Let's go.
Oh, man, I'm dead.
Alright, who wants a free developer bag?
Okay,
I
can
do.
hold 2 more. Just gonna do this.
Yo, yo, bro, what's up? I'm your biggest fan. Yo, damn. Who wants a? Why are you giving away so much stuff? But I was saying,
Man!
who wants a free developer bag?
You can call me Mr. Magneto, but tell me all you want tonight.
Yo. Oh. No. No. I say.
Is this a modded lobby? Kill me some.
No.
Oh, yeah, 100% a modded lobby.
I'm sorry. I sacrificed myself,
You didn't
guys.
kill
It's
me,
just
lad.
an animal company jail.
Lad, you didn't kill me. Guys,
Take
is
me
this
to
a modded
animal
lobby?
company jail.
Animal company jail? You need to go to jail? You need to go to jail? Restrain him.
Alright.
Come back in the store. Respawn real quick, respawn. Oi, don't take my friend like
I
that.
didn't do nothing.
Don't take my friend like that.
You're probably gonna be the next person that you're probably put me in.
I saw that he had a frying pan. Was he gonna have like a rocket launcher or something? And be cooking with Jake? Is that what he was gonna be? Dang it. Just gonna boink. Which one would be possible to get? Nom nom nom. Caw! Bow. No! Okay, I just keep messing up. Might as well just do that. Grab one.
Oh no, I don't think you won. Tung. Oh, never mind. Tung city, tung sahuri.
No!
1, 2, 3, 4.
A
Five,
cookie with Jacob!
six
Cookie
seconds.
with
We got
Jacob! Cookie with Jacob!
Oh,
Yeah, cookie with Jacob! Cookie with Jacob! Cookie with Jacob!
How long did the
3, 2, 1!
the iPad?
Okay. Rest in peace, Jacob. Cookie with Jacob! Cookie with Jacob! Cookie with Jacob!
Wait, pass that. But
Cooking with Jacob, what's that?
What's that? I'll just tell you. I don't think it is big.
Now let me fly!
Hey, stop breathing. Cooking with Jacob.
No! That way. Nice.
I know what things are galaxy, and I know what things are not galaxy.
Wait, no.
Yo, can someone do a giveaway?
Yo, where you get that? Where you get that? Where you get that?
Hey.
Nice.
Where you get those?
So I'm gonna do
Other police officer, where'd you go?
real quick. One,
Trying to kill me now.
I can't tell you because I'm modded.
I got this.
Bro?
It's a green idiot.
Fly!
Giveaway.
Oh, that one sucked. I can at least hopefully still get this one. Nope.
Wait, who's doing the giveaway?
A fart and a booty slipped out. It stinks like booty.
Where do I go? Let's go back up here. Wait, I don't think. Okay, we're good.
Giveaway.
We're good somehow.
Every time I say giveaway, I just think they're lying. Giveaway. Policeman, I'm adding you as a friend.
What are you giving away?
We have 2 escaped criminals on the loose.
I'm probably gonna do
My
this
goody
guy's
woody.
thing. Probably, I'm not for sure.
There's
though.
where do we this
'Cause
thing
now they're
is?
all up just in the sky.
Why does no one hit
Guys,
me?
we have 2 escaped criminals on the loose.
Yo,
Grab your
racist
weapons
or something?
and go get on the search immediately.
Start a search for the.
Criminals, get on the search immediately. Policeman, I added you as a friend, okay?
Who's modding? Is anybody modding?
I need to yap. I need to. My name is Ray. I'm from China. I'm from
Okay, this is probably today's video. Go back with the part 2.
Is this a modded
And a little bit.
Also, you're racist. Yeah.